morning, happy Monday. Today I don't have to physically be on campus, but I do have work to do here at home. I'll just give a quick rundown of what I have to do and some insight on my life, on my school life. I have to finish reading a play for my classic dramatic literature class. That's a theater class where we read classic plays. Right now we're reading the Oresteia and it's really cool. Then I have some math homework. I'm taking social choice math. It's pretty easy, like it's very easy. I'm taking ballet, which I usually have 2 classes of ballet per week. I have ecology, 2 ecology classes that I have to study for because it's kind of becoming a lot of work. It's the 4th week of school now and I'm starting to get stress headaches. I'm just trying to take my time with my work and just make my life more fulfilling and calming to help with those stress headaches. Let's get to work because it's like 12:30 and I've only done one thing so far. To go grocery shopping. I'm just gonna get a few vegetables and stuff for lunch. This is the outfit we have today. These shoes are rain boots. They might not make sense with this outfit, but it makes sense to me. I just made my lunch. Just some Gardein vegan orange chicken with broccoli, peppers. It is 3:30. I'm a little backtracked, but it's fine. I'm just gonna finish my work and I have a dance class at 6:30. I'm pretty much ready for dance and I'm uploading a video, just a Cocoa Beach vlog from when I went last weekend. Good morning. It is Tuesday. This is my ootd Tilly's tank top. I don't know where these pants are from, and my rain boots. And I got these strawberry earrings in Cocoa Beach, which you should go watch my vlog. It's actually the one before this one, so check it out. I made myself a coffee in a Starbucks cup so that I felt fancy. Let's go to school. Oh, I shouldn't do that. No. It's almost 10 p.m. I started to kind of settle down around 8:30. I showered, I fed the dogs, walked the dogs. I'm gonna go to sleep soon. I don't know where my book is. I know it's somewhere, but I'm gonna read before going to sleep because that really helps me with falling asleep. Good night. Hi, yeah. Yes, please. Thank you so much. You too. I am having a bit of a midweek slump. School is definitely getting harder than I expected. I think switching from being completely online to in person is just making everything so much more difficult. You know what I like to do when I'm not feeling motivated? I go to my Pinterest board that I titled College and I look at all the like aesthetic pictures of people studying and it just helps me feel motivated. So let's log on. I'm just gonna stare at this Pinterest board for the next 5 minutes and immerse myself in the studying grind, aesthetic, culture, if you will.
So handsome. The most handsome man in the world.
I feel like people make a really big deal out of morning routines. I think morning routines are so essential to having a calm life, I think. But it's really, really common to see people's morning routines be like waking up at 6 a.m., doing my yoga, meditation, journal, workout, clean my room, you know, like it's so many things all at once. It takes them like 2-3 hours, which is why they wake up so early so they can get that done. You know, I'm sure that all feels really good, but it's not reasonable for everybody. This entire week I've been trying to wake up around 8:30 and I've been sleeping until like 9:15, 9:30, which is still pretty early for me. I'm more of a 10 a.m. girl. A couple weeks ago I did stretch first thing in the morning and I got really lightheaded. Just doing too much physical movement after waking up will make you feel dizzy because you're dehydrated. So now I get up. Sometimes I take out my dogs for a walk. I drink water. I drink at least a cup, and then I do my morning stretch. And I also take a lot of joy out of my morning cup of coffee, so that's something that helps. But today we are gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts and get a pumpkin spice latte. I hate the one from Starbucks, sorry, and I'm a Starbucks fan. I'm like a Starbucks whore, but it tastes like eggs. I should really be getting ready, so let's go.
Have one small iced pumpkin spice latte with oat milk. There's sun showers right now. Also, I'm listening to my country girl playlist, and yeah, this is on it. This sun shower has turned into a real torrential storm. Quick taste test. I got it with oat milk and no whipped cream because I might be lactose intolerant, not gonna lie. That's so hot and sexy. Alright, let's go to school. But first, I didn't do a fit check. This shirt's from Spirit Halloween. Tights, I think, are from Amazon. I think it's time to end this video. But first, I will show you what I got from Spirit Halloween. I think going to Spirit Halloween really solidified the fall season for me. I got 2 sheets of temporary tattoos. I want to stack these on like basically all together. I think I'll wear them to the Harry Styles concert because it's in October. I got this amazing journal. I wouldn't say it's old-timey goth, but gives me that same energy, I guess. So if you want a school update, I have a math test tomorrow and I just rewrote all my notes. Like I hand wrote them because I usually write on my laptop, I type. I know that writing things down will help you memorize it better, so wish me luck. I think I got it in the bag, and thank you for sticking around. I appreciate it.